You don't actually need to buy anything to give something meaningful. Some of the best gifts are made from things you already have, just sitting around your room. So here are 10 DIY gift ideas that are easy, cute, and they actually want. Scratch off cookies. Scratch cards are cute, but what if you could eat them? Okay, don't actually eat them, but for this DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a scratch off cookie with a hidden message inside. Start by drawing out the cookie box with dimensions listed here. Fold it along each of the lines and cut the edges of the paper. To make the cookie box see-through, cut out an oval on one of the sides too. Turn the paper around and decorate the cover to make it look like an actual sugar cookie box, and glue on a plastic sheet to cover the oval. Then glue the edges together to assemble the box. To make the cookies, cut out a few circles and write on your custom messages. Depending on the occasion, you can write anything from love notes for Valentine's Day to birthday wishes for your friend. Add a clear layer of tape to completely cover your messages and use either acrylic paint pens or acrylic paint to decorate the circles into cookies. If you use acrylic paint pens, you might have to color on a few layers to make the colors more opaque. You can also draw on sprinkles to add a dash of color, and once you're done, place everything into the cookie box. To reveal the messages hidden underneath, use a coin or something solid to scratch off the layer of paint on top. This DIY is the cutest way to write your best wishes for literally any occasion. Paper rose bouquet. Flowers can get very expensive. Luckily, you can still give flowers without having to spend hundreds of dollars. For this DIY, I'm going to show you how you can make a paper bouquet of realistic flowers out of paper. Get a large piece of thin paper and use paint to draw on ovals. They don't have to be perfect since flower petals aren't perfect either. Once this dries, cut out each one and find something with a circular opening. I'm using a candle, but you can also use a cup or a toilet paper tube. Fold each petal in half and place it around the edge of the opening. Continue to do this all around the edges and use hot glue to secure all of the petals together. You can also layer them to add more depth and make the flowers look more realistic. Then, get a piece of aluminum and crumble it into a ball. Place this inside the flower and hot glue a stick onto it to act as the stem. Once you remove it from the opening, this is where the magic happens. To make your rose more unique, you can also optionally decorate the inside with gemstone stickers. Repeat this a few times and you'll have a beautiful bouquet of roses. This DIY is the perfect romantic gift for someone who loves flowers. A note keychain. Notes are a simple way to make something feel personal, but unfortunately they don't last forever. For this DIY, I'm going to show you how to turn a handwritten note into a keychain. Start by getting some shrink film and use a ruler to draw out blue lines. Then, draw a red line to make it look more like the margins of lined paper. Write your personalized message onto the lines and cut everything out. Using either a heat gun or iron, heat up the shrink film so that it shrinks and hardens. Hang this onto a keychain ring and you'll have the cutest customized keychain ready for any occasion. Magic Night Sky Box. Gift boxes are usually just packaging, but they don't have to be. For this DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a paper box that opens into a hanging night sky. Start by drawing out a 9x9 grid onto a piece of paper and a smaller one for the lid. For the four corners, draw out heart shapes and cut them out. Then, fold the base along the lines. Fold each of the hearts in half so that you can compress the paper into a box. To decorate the inside of the box, you can either use colored paper with designs on them, or use paint to draw on your own designs. For the stars, use long thin strips of colored paper and start by looping it around itself to make a pentagon. Then, fold the corners in and start wrapping the rest of the strips along the edges. Finally, tuck the end in and squeeze each of the corners to make the star pop out. Repeat this a few times to make all of your stars. Glue on the colored paper to the inside of the box and attach each of the stars to a rope. Glue the other end of the rope to the lid of the box so that the stars hang off of it. Now, when the box is opened, it'll reveal a beautiful night sky with stars hanging from the top. You can also make similar ones with different themes to match the occasion and even write cute notes on the inside. Wooden tulip. Flowers are a classic, but they don't last forever. If you want to give something that can be kept, then this next DIY is a great alternative. For this DIY, I'm going to show you how you can make a tulip out of wooden blocks. I found a bunch of these wooden blocks online, but you can also find them at a dollar store or any arts and crafts shop. Hot glue the blocks together to form a row like this, and hot glue multiple rows together to form the shape of a tulip. Place the wooden tulip on a sheet of grade paper and trace out how you want the bow tie and the base of the bouquet to look. Then, color the tulip using whatever color you want, and also decorate the base of the bouquet. One really creative idea you can try is to make the back into the shape of a heart like I did here. Finally, cut this out along the edges and poke holes into the back so that you can secure your tulip on. Get a thin metal wire and loop it through the holes to hold the tulip in place. This DIY is the perfect romantic gift for a loved one. Custom stickers. Stickers are a fun way to personalize anything, but the designs are usually limited, so why not make your own? For this DIY, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to turn your drawings into custom stickers. The first method is to use sticker paper, but if you don't have any, then stay tuned for the second method where you don't need it. This first method is super easy. All you need to do is draw on your personalized designs, and that's pretty much it. You can draw on a birthday cake for a birthday gift, hearts and roses for a Valentine's Day gift, or Christmas trees and snowflakes for Christmas. Cut your drawings out and your stickers are ready to use. If you don't have any sticker paper, then the second method is perfect for you. Get a non-stick sheet or parchment paper and a piece of regular paper. Draw on whatever designs you want on the regular piece of paper, and again, you can be really creative. Here's a few pictures that I really liked for your inspiration. Once you're done drawing, cut this out and also cut out a piece of tape. Place the tape onto the non-stick paper and lay the drawing on top. Then add another layer of tape on top and press down firmly to get out all of the air bubbles and seal the drawing in. Cut this out and you'll have your custom sticker. This DIY is definitely one of my personal favorites since you can turn your artwork into gifts that are perfect for any occasion. Custom jewelry. It looks like shiny, expensive jewelry, but it's actually just hot glue. For this DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a metallic looking necklace with tiny flowers and glitter inside. Layer 2 sheets of plastic together and cut out the shape of a heart. Then add hot glue along the borders of one of the hearts. Add a ring at the top so that you can hang your charm from it, and gently press on the other layer of plastic on top. Don't seal it completely yet because you'll want to first add in all of the sparkly charms inside. Once they've all been added, seal it off and add a thick layer of hot glue around the border of the heart. Make it thick enough so that there's more texture and depth. Wait for this to dry and use a metallic pen or acrylic paint pen to color the hot glue border. This step is what really brings everything together. You can hang this onto a chain to make it into a necklace and shake it around to see all of the glitter charms move inside. Birthday cake candle. Have you ever wanted a birthday cake shaped candle on top of your birthday cake? Me neither, but it makes a cute and unexpected gift. For this DIY, I'm going to show you how to turn clay and old wax into a tiny cake candle. Get some air dry clay and add some pink dye to color it. Knead this thoroughly so that the dye is spread out and split the clay into 2 chunks. Roll the first chunk into a ball and flatten it into a circle. Then, roll the second chunk into a long, thin strip. Fold this strip around the circle so that it forms the base of the cake. Get some blue clay and push it through a frosting tip so that it comes out with a pattern. Roll this strip of clay and press it onto the side of the cake base so that it looks like icing decorations. Do this all around the cake and use the extra clay to hold a candle wick down the center of the cake. Let this dry and harden overnight and melt a chunk of wax from an old candle. You can also add in wax coloring to change the color and sprinkle in glitter to make it shiny. Let the wax harden and you'll have a super cool birthday cake shaped candle. This DIY is perfect for any type of celebration and can make everything feel a little more festive. Heart-shaped envelope. Envelopes are ordinary, but what if opening one felt like unwrapping a surprise in itself? For this DIY, I'm going to show you how to fold a heart-shaped piece of paper into an envelope that unfolds and reveals your message. Get a piece of colored paper and fold it into 4 equal sized sections. Then flip it around and fold it into 3 sections so that one of the sections is smaller than the other 2. Draw out the shape of the heart onto the paper and make sure to follow all of your grid lines. Cut this out and you should end up with something like this. To decorate the heart envelopes, you can write cute notes, add on drawings, or stick on stickers. Here's a few pictures that I really liked for inspiration. Once you're done decorating, fold the heart into an envelope along the lines. You can also add something inside the envelope and seal it with a sticker. If you want to learn how to make these wax seal stickers, you can find the tutorial in one of my previous videos. This DIY is super cool because whoever receives it will surely be surprised when they open the envelope into the shape of a heart. Doll keychain. What if a keychain could look exactly like someone you love? For this DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a miniature felt doll with yarn hair, the perfect personalized gift. Get a piece of felt and cut out a circle. Then cut out thin strips and glue this around the border to form a cylinder like this. Glue the other circle on top and stuff it full of cotton before sealing it off. To make the hair, roll out long strands of yarns of various colors and glue them onto a non-stick paper. Cut the ends of the yarn and peel it off the paper. Then add hot glue to the head of the doll and glue this on. Repeat this a few times to form all of the hair for the doll. For inspiration, here's a few pictures that I found that I thought were super cool. Once you're done gluing on all of the hair, you can also trim off the ends to style it. This DIY is super customizable and is also a fun and unexpected gift idea.